Good afternoon, back in Bangkok again. Something different, maybe people don't know, we're right in the middle of Bangkok, and today we're going to do something I really enjoy doing back in Australia. My girlfriend's never gone, she says. We're going to go watch the horse racing. The horse racing racetrack is right in the middle of Bangkok, great location. We just got off at Siam station, maybe a 10-15 minute walk, and we're walking there now. The races started at 12 or 15. I think we're going to miss the first 2 races, but there are 10 races today, so let me show you how the day goes. Hopefully get some winners. So I've always been not very good at picking horses at the racetrack, but I did pick the Melbourne Cup winner last year, so fighting, we can do it. 200 baht entry. We've missed the first 2 races, so we'll go for race number 3. You can buy programs for 100 baht for foreigners. It's got English, or 50 baht for the Thai version. Alright, let's see how we go. Beautiful view, yeah, of the city. I think we've got a golf course. I think it's a 9-hole golf course that surrounds the racetrack. Driving range. So we're up to race 3. We're not going to put money on this one. We're a bit slow. We've got to work out how to do it. But I'm on number 1. My girlfriend's on number 7. Her lucky number. Let's see what happens. We read you had to dress smart casually, but you can wear whatever you want. If people are wearing thongs, shorts, singlets, so you can wear whatever you want. So we're a bit hot. I've got long pants on. Oof, it's warm, humid. It rained in the morning. Got the BTS line just here. They're starting here. Here they go. Go. Oh, I thought they were going this way. No good. My horse came out 5th, my girlfriend's horse came last. Lucky we didn't put money on it. Now let's go check out the food and drink options. Alright, got some drinks. Got a lemon tea for the girlfriend, 35 baht. And a big chain can, I think it's 60 baht. And then a water, 10 baht. So, not too bad, 105 baht for 3 drinks. Not too much difference from a 7-Eleven. Race number 5, I finally got a bet on 50 baht each way on number 8 and 3. 3 for me, 8 for the girlfriend. Let's see how we go. Number 3 seems to be a bit popular, so let's see. Not sure. I think number 3 is second favorite and number 8 is like mid-range, so we'll see how we go. 50 baht each way. It seems to be the minimum that I could find. Race number 6, race 5, I got paid 190 baht for my 100 bet each way bet, 50 baht each way. He must have been heavy favourite. So between me and my girlfriend's bet, we didn't break even. But we're gonna go race 6, number 1. Here we go. Hopefully we can get ahead. Here he is, number 1 in the red. This section 200 baht, and I think this section 100 baht for this section. Oh, no! Run! Go, go, kick, kick, kick! Kick! Work! Whoa! Whoa! Go! Go! I will get money back, but not my money back. I'll get very little money. He was heavy favorite. Alright, come down to the bottom. Number 8, we're on race number 8. Number 8 I'm going for. Last bet. At the moment we've lost 45 baht. We're down 45 baht. So hopefully we can finish on a winner. Let's go. Last bet. There are 10 races, but I think we're going to leave after this race. Maybe I'll break even, maybe. Alright, leaving now. We lost 95 baht, but good fun. Totally recommend it if you're here, maybe with some mates, Aussies that love to have a bet. Here it's more about the sport and the gambling. In Australia it's more about a lot about the social scene for many people. But if you do come, definitely come, and you can place your bets. 200 baht for the entry. If you want to go to that other place and save some money, go 100 baht for that ticket, and just place your bets. Go up. Actually, they were pretty good with the English. Just say I was just saying 50 baht place, 50 baht win, or 100 baht place, 100 baht win. Just maybe learn some numbers, but the English was okay with the numbers. And the beers were quite affordable, 60 baht for a big beer, 50 baht for the small beer. But most people weren't. There were a few people drinking, but it's not a drinking scene. But you could definitely do it. I could imagine someone making that into an event. I was thinking like a night horse racing event, party, music, would be good fun. But anyway, we're gonna go get some food. You can join us for the rest of the night, see what we get up to. Let's go.